requested by Twitch user Icabus. In this video, you'll learn how to make an easy mango salsa with cilantro. It's time to learn and grow together, starting now. For the fully written recipe and more, check out the link in the description. First things first, when it comes to mango salsa, we need to dice some mango. Small dice to be specific. For those who don't know, a small dice, or marceau in French, is defined as having 1/4 inch or 5mm thickness on each side. Not that salsa needs to come out perfectly anyway. Start by peeling your mango with a sharp peeler or knife. Try not to overhandle the mango, bruising the outside as you work. Once peeled, stand the mango up. From this above view, imagine the mango to be shaped like an oval. On the long ends of this imaginary oval, carefully cut the mango with a knife, creating 1/4 inch planks. Do this on both sides until you hit the core. Now cut around the edges, salvaging any of the extra mango you can. Now that that's all trimmed, stack the planks as best you can. If needed for practice, use one plank at a time. Cut into 1/4 inch matchsticks. Now turn the knife 90 degrees and cut crosswise, creating a 1/4 inch dice, a small dice. Cut the remaining trim parts as best you can to match the size. Do that with 3 mangoes and then add them all to a bowl. And now that the hardest part is out of the way, I'd like to take a moment to say a special thank you to Icabus for requesting this video. Thank you! Remember, if you'd like to leave a request like Icabus, leave your request down in the comments. Getting right back on track, add 1/4 cup of red onion, 1/2 cup of bell pepper, and 1/4 cup or 1 full jalapeno, all cut to small dice. Make sure to rinse the onions with water after you've cut them to remove any sulfurous compounds. This will help so they don't overwhelm the salsa. Another tip would be to taste your jalapeno before adding it so you have full control of the spice level. If you're a fan of spice, just add the whole thing. Sliding into home, add in 1/4 cup of loosely packed cilantro that has been minced, as well as the zest and juice of 1 lime. Fold carefully combine and then season with salt to taste. Serve as a snack with chips or topped on your favorite vegan dishes for a unique flair. Sunset salsa date, anyone? Your fresh mango salsa with cilantro is here. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave it a thumbs up so that it can grow, helping more people like you. If you're new to the Veggie Nerd, my name is Eric. I'm a vegan chef creating weekly content with an occasional nerdy twist. Stick around a while by subscribing and let's empower self-care together through food. The cooking adventures keep going. If you'd like to relax with some good music and learn how I made some vegan chickpea quesadillas, click the video on the screen now to check it out. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you over in the next one.